New Cold War politics might end any investigation into the assassination of a Sikh activist before it begins. The statement suggesting that Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India, was involved in the killing of a Canadian citizen is both sensational and highly speculative. Such a serious accusation requires credible evidence and a thorough investigation before any conclusions can be drawn. Additionally, it's important to note that attributing individual responsibility for such a crime without proper legal processes and evidence would be legally and ethically inappropriate. Investigative challenges. Accusations of this nature pose significant investigative challenges, including issues related to jurisdiction, evidence collection, and international cooperation. Any investigation into such a high-profile case would require careful consideration of legal and diplomatic processes. Diplomatic sensitivities. Accusations involving national leaders, especially those from countries with complex international relations, can have far-reaching diplomatic implications. Investigations into such matters must be conducted with sensitivity to maintain international relations. The role of law enforcement. Law enforcement agencies in both Canada and India, along with international bodies, would be responsible for investigating such allegations. These investigations typically involve cooperation between nations and adhere to established legal procedures. The importance of due process. It's essential to uphold the principles of due process, fairness, and the rule of law in any investigation. Jumping to conclusions or making unfounded allegations can undermine the credibility of the investigation and the justice system. The need for evidence. Accusations of this magnitude must be based on concrete evidence and factual information. It is the responsibility of investigative authorities to gather and assess this evidence objectively. In conclusion, the claim that Narendra Modi was involved in the killing of a Canadian citizen is a serious allegation that should be treated with caution. Any investigation into such an accusation would require a thorough, impartial, and evidence-based approach, adhering to established legal and diplomatic processes. Rushing to judgment without credible evidence can have detrimental consequences for justice and international relations.